Hello everyone. So this is the last instructional video for orientation week. So the last assignment that you have is a introduce yourself assignment. So hopefully you have watched the orientation video, you've taken the readiness test, you watched the Google Form video, and you did the Google Form assignment. So the last thing you're doing is the introduce yourself assignment. So this is really, really easy. So all you're going to do is you are going to click on introduce yourself. And this is also going to show you how to use the discussion board, which we will do a few times in our class. But it's a pretty important video so you know how to actually use the discussion board for further assignments as well. So you're going to click on to the link of introduce yourself. So once you go in there, you're going to see these questions. So it's basically welcome to English 9. We're going to be spending a lot of time together. Here's some things I want you to answer. Remember, anything you post on the discussion board has to be school appropriate. Don't ever post anything that you wouldn't say to a teacher, parent, grandparent in person, right? So pretty simple. What you're going to do is you are going to copy these, and mine will open. Yours will not open because this is a teacher view, but I'm just going to copy these. And then I'm going to cancel that. And then you're going to start a new thread. So once you start a new thread, you're going to copy, paste. And you can enter whatever subject it is that you want. You can, and I could say Mrs. Six's responses. I could say hello. You can title it whatever you want to title it, right? So basically, you are going to be answering these questions. So what name do you prefer to go by? What do you like to do in your spare time? What is your favorite song right now? What's your favorite book, TV show, or movie? Because I know not everyone watches TV or not everybody likes to read. So tell me what one of them is. What is one goal you have for the year? It can be personal or academic. Pick one word that describes your personality. Who do you live with? Where's your favorite place to visit? This can be a person's house. This could be a country. This could be a different state. Could be the beach. Whatever you want. Where's your favorite place to visit? Could be grandma and grandpa's because grandma makes really good spaghetti. Whatever it is. Favorite food or restaurant? What is one expectation you have this year for English? So it could be anything. It could be, I hope to become a better writer. It could be, I really want to learn how to spell better. It could be, I want to learn to enjoy reading more. It could be, I want to earn an A or I want to earn a C. Whatever expectation you have for English, that is absolutely fine. And the last thing is if you would like to post a picture of yourself so we can put a face with a name. So I want to just take a second for this because I do, at the very end of the school year, I do a kind of like a little project and I ask you to post a picture. Most of you will not post a picture at the beginning of the year, but you will at the end of the year after you get to know everybody in the class and after you feel more comfortable with me, and I totally understand. However, every time at the end of the year when I look at the pictures that I see of everyone, I'm always like, that's not at all what I expected that person to look like because they don't want to get on webcam, which I totally understand. But if you want to post a picture, I would really, really love that because I would like to know what you look like at the beginning of the year. So when we're talking in Class Connect or when I'm emailing you, I have this visual in my mind of oh, that's what that person looks like. Otherwise, I just kind of build this own image up in my mind of what I think you look like. So anyway, but if you're not, it's totally fine. But I would love to see a picture. So you're going to do all of those things and then you're just going to post it. And it's pretty simple. As simple as that. If you have any questions about the discussion board, please let me know. I will tell you, I'm going to kind of go over some of these in orientation as well, just to give you an idea, because I don't have a student view right now, and during orientation, I will have a student view, so I'll be able to give a little bit more exact of what you're going to see on your end. But it's very similar to this as well. So if you have questions, like I said, let me know.